Welcome to the Learn to Sew Academy channel. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.
Hi everyone. I just wanted to share this quick information with my YouTube subscribers and viewers. The DLS company is giving away one sewing machine, and they're also going to be giving away $100 worth of labels on their website, and that's available to 5 winners. So I wanted to let you guys know it starts today, November 14th, 2018, and it's gonna end November 21st, 2018. So if you'd like to take part in this, I'm gonna leave some information in my description box. Be sure to click on the link and it takes you directly to their website. It's not an affiliate link or anything, it's just their website's link that takes you directly to where to take part in this giveaway. All right, best of luck. Bye.